Hi, my name is David Rowland, and I'd like to make a suggestion about how to approach the classes in Freeing Your Body, my audio program for improving chronic problems with mobility, pain, and balance. When we think about improving our quality of life by starting to take better care of ourselves, we often hesitate because it sounds like a prospect which requires a long-term commitment. Whoa! So, consider forgetting about the commitment and just think for a moment about only taking one step to see how that goes. From what I've seen, quality of life improves most naturally through discovery. So perhaps begin by simply considering the possibility of discovering something new about the way you move and how you respond to those movements. Quantum science has shown it only takes the act of noticing for something to change. And noticing is an act of discovery, which you can learn about yourself. Don't worry about the next step, because what you think that step is going to be may very well change by the time you get there. For now, just consider what it means to notice how you move and the way that makes you feel. So a possible first step on that path to discovery would be to think about how valuable it would be to learn to pay attention, to observe, to notice how your body moves and how it feels when it moves. If that sounds like a good idea, check out the free introductory class on my website to see if freeing your body's exploration of movement will help you, one step at a time.